Hey guys, you're watching Dope Crafts, and today in this video we're going to make a paper iPhone. As before we made paper watch, but in this video we're going to make a paper iPhone which will look like a real iPhone. But first, subscribe and click the bell icon and follow Dope Crafts on Instagram. Do it now. So guys, if you want this template, you can go check out my Instagram for this template. So I'm gonna take a scissor and cut the pieces out. Hey, so guys, I'm done with cutting all the pieces. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold all of them, and I'm gonna take a scissor and scale, and I'm gonna make creeps. If you have not watched the earlier video, go check out it. Link will be somewhere else in this video. So I'm gonna do as fast as I can. Be careful so that you should not cut all the pieces out. So guys, I'm done with making all these parts. So as you can see now, there's here we got to pass through with this cutter. Now guys, I'm done with cutting it together. Now it will be like a hole. Now I'm going to fold all the pieces very carefully so that it will not break off. And I'm gonna test it by folding all the parts in, and done. I have not glued it on. It's just open, normal. I've not glued everything on, just like trial. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take glue and glue all the pieces on like this. There will be some spaces. I'm going to squeeze these spaces and stick it firmly together. So guys, this is how it looks after all the process is done. Now I'm going to take a black gel pen to just fill all the white color areas, because there are some white color areas that's making it look unreal. So I'm going to just color all the white parts out, and we're done. It looks like real, don't it? Wow.